If you are holding XRP, this is an emergency video. We have so much to talk about. You're not even going to believe what they are trying to do for XRP and cryptos overall. If you take a look at the crypto market, let me show you what's happening. But make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, and you really need to stick around to the end of this video. You cannot miss this important information that I have for you. Bitcoin right now. Well, I'm talking about Bitcoin because everything follows Bitcoin, including XRP. Bitcoin right now is on life support. You can see it's hanging by a thread, but nevertheless, it is hanging on this macro key support, which continues to support the price of Bitcoin. This is right now quite bullish. But there is so much FUD going on I need to share with you. And this is just the new Lambo that I bought with XRP profits, by the way. But let me get into the video. That's my dog, Yoshi. He is a real Shiba Inu, a Japanese dog. Can you believe it? But look at this. Look at this. The Department of Justice is now cleared to sell $6.5 billion worth of Bitcoin from the seized Silk Road assets. Ever since this news came out last night, the markets have been dumping. Bitcoin was bouncing. Everything was bouncing yesterday, which I bought the dip, by the way, yesterday, especially in XRP. I bought some XRP on that dip. But everything was bouncing, looking great. And then that news comes out and we just dump. But so far, Bitcoin has recovered this support, which is bullish. If we also take a look at XRP, it is still holding stronger than pretty much any crypto out there. And that is a very, very good thing to see. I did buy the dip. I am long in XRP on leverage, which you guys can trade with me over at Blowfin. This is the platform where you guys can long and short cryptos up to 150x leverage. You guys need to be using this platform. There's a $10,000 deposit bonus if you guys sign up using my link. So the link is in my video description. If you guys want to follow the signals when I'm buying and selling, when I'm longing and shorting these profitable signals every single week, join the Patreon for immediate access. And you also really, ladies and gentlemen, need to consider using my ALGOSNIPER trading indicator. This thing will tell you exactly, you get a sell alert here before every crash and before every pump. You will get a buy alert, as you see here at the very Pico bottom. But this is very, very bearish. The US government has been given the green light to liquidate 69,000 Bitcoin. They are trying to dump Bitcoin. They are trying to ruin the world before the new man gets in office. It's pretty sad, but that's what it has come down to. But is this actually going to happen? Probably not. Probably not. I don't think that this is going to happen. And it's honestly even old news. This was ruled on December 30th, and it's literally 10 days later. So they could have sold from many, many days ago, and they are not. They are not selling. So that is a good thing. Another crazy thing, ladies and gentlemen, and this is bullish for all cryptos, is that more than 22,000 Bitcoin have been withdrawn from exchanges in the past week. The amount of Bitcoin that's available, ladies and gentlemen, is getting very, very small. And with the demand of the ETFs, the treasury, they're going to be buying Bitcoin. It's going to pump Bitcoin, which is going to pump XRP like you've never believed before. We are also seeing historical levels of whales buying XRP. Look at this whale activity here, ladies and gentlemen. It is spiking to a degree like we have never, ever seen before. This is incredibly bullish. I cannot tell you how bullish this is. In my opinion, we are due for a bounce. XRP is holding this support around $2.26, give or take. We are holding this support very, very well. And I think we should hold this support. Maybe we'll lose it, but regain it over the next couple of days. We'll probably bounce back up to like $2.50 in the short term. This is what I'm thinking, but the real pump isn't going to start until I think we're going to get more of a pullback. I really think that Bitcoin and cryptos are going to pull back more, which if that were to happen, XRP could come down to this level here around $2. We might even break below this level and come a little bit to these regions here around $1.60. These are possible targets for XRP, which I think are quite likely, which if were to happen, especially if they are selling all that Bitcoin and Bitcoin crashes down to maybe 85 to 77,000, which should be very, very realistic. That would be about a 30% correction for Bitcoin. That's something that Bitcoin always does in every bull market. Many times during that bull market, if that were to happen, XRP could hit those numbers. If XRP were to hit those numbers, I would definitely urge you to load up. But as we can see, the new daily candle is flipping green for everything, green across the board here. This is looking good. I think, as I've speculated in my previous videos, that we are going to get a bounce here this Friday. Literally been selling off every single day this week, and we're probably going to get a bounce Friday and through this weekend. But remember, we have CPI. There's a lot of data dependent information coming out this next week, so the market might be a little shaky. So just be prepared for that. The real strong pump is going to be coming after the inauguration. In my opinion, it's not financial advice, but this is what I want you guys to be prepared for. Have cash on the side in case they dump XRP massively. If you guys don't have any cash on the side, it's okay. Just ride the waves out, because we're going to be seeing $3, $4, $5, maybe $7 in the next couple of months, and you guys need to be ready. I definitely urge you to be holding XRP, because when Trump gets in office, guess what's going to happen? Gary Gensler is obviously leaving. They're probably going to drop the SEC case, which is going to pump XRP. They're going to be approving the XRP ETF. It's on like Donkey Kong. You guys don't want to be missing, but that's why you need to be in the Patreon. Make sure you guys follow my signals in the Patreon, my constant market updates, so you know exactly when to buy and sell. I'm going to see you guys later.